Hey everyone, it's Dr. Blake Williamson from Williamson Eye in Baton Rouge, here to talk about the iStent Inject W, which is brand new. I'm going to show you an implantation and also talk about a few other things, including this new gonio prism from Glaukos. This is the iPrism SX, which provides a wide field of view and very clear optics and eye stabilization features. You see it has sort of a tripod approach and those little tripods can actually latch onto the eye to give you some mobility, and you can move the eye sort of dynamically. Um, Also showing you the new injector. It's been streamlined and redesigned. It helps really streamline implantation. You have tighter injector tolerances, a very smooth delivery. You see the little button and sleeve is very similar to what you saw in the original iStent Inject. The procedure itself is very, very similar. You see me sort of bathing the angle with some viscoelastic. I like to brush the iris down a little bit too. And you see me putting some viscoelastic on the surface of the cornea. The iStent Inject is really built on a proven platform with hundreds of thousands of eyes and delivers the same great safety and efficacy you can expect, but there's just some better features here compared to the original iStent Inject. This iStent Inject W is a little better. You do see there on the with the iPrism SX those two little clear areas at the top. You have a sort of a frosted glass appearance, but you have those two clear areas there. Those are sort of targets that give you 3 o'clock, sort of 3 clock hours of spacing. Because we know we do want to try to place these stents a few clock hours apart if we can. So it's really helpful to have that on the iPrism SX for targeting. You see me sort of pointing that out to you here. We're going to enter the eye with the injector and pull back the sleeve to show the trocar. The big difference is with the old iStent you had the single V-slot window. With this one you really have a shorter window with a bridge that really optimizes visualization of both stents and also the trocar itself. It was a rounded tip with the original iStent Inject, but with the W, it's a tri-bevel trocar tip for reduced tissue tethering. And here I am placing the first stent there. I'm just going to place the trocar into the trabecular meshwork there. We have a good angle view of all the anatomic structures there. Just a very gentle indentation, and the first stent is placed. As far as the stent itself, they're still 360 microns tall, still with an 80 micron central outlet and inlet, and 4 side flow outlets of 50 micron diameters. The biggest difference is this sort of wide flange. It's 360 microns with the W versus only 230 with the original iStent Inject. So basically over a 50% increase in the flange size. And the wide stent flange optimizes stent visualization while maintaining the smallest possible footprint in the eye. You get a more confident delivery, you minimize any chance of overimplantation, and overall increase procedural predictability. I hope this has been helpful.